I'm going to show you how you can take words and turn it into a boatload of cash. We're starting right now. Hey guys, my name is John, and if this is the first time you come to my channel, welcome. On this channel, we teach you all about turning your internet connection and your laptop into cold, hard dinero. So if that's something that you desire, please subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right-hand corner of the screen and go ahead and click the notification so that you don't miss any of my Make Money Online videos. Now guys, in this video today, we're going to be talking about how you can actually turn your words into cash. Now this is something that a lot of online marketers and affiliate marketers, we kind of steer away from a lot because all we like to do is talk about making money, $100 a day, ClickBank, this, that, the third. But we have to get down to the fundamentals of what actually makes someone pull out their purse and their wallet and make a transaction. And that boils down to sales copy, that boils down to email copy, that boils down to copywriting in general. And if you can influence and move someone with the written words, you will never go broke. Let's jump over to the laptop. All right, guys, so we're going to jump right into this video. And what we're going to be discussing today is turning words into cash. And contrary to popular belief, it is copywriting that actually will put money into your pocket because it's the written word that people use on sales pages, on sales videos, and emails. And these are the words that actually influence people, that move people, that get people to purchase your products and your services. So this is a vital skill set that you need to learn and you need to consistently be working at if you're going to be doing any type of online marketing or any business whatsoever. So let's go and jump into this video. And again, we're going to be talking about, copywriting for beginners and just a couple things that you want to be thinking about as we go through these 6 points that I'm going to be sharing with you very quickly today is, you're going to focus on your audience desires. What are their pain points? What are their challenges that you want to eliminate? So those are things that you want to kind of tap into, like what are their desires, their dreams, what are their pain points, what do they have challenges with, and those are the things that you want to tap into with your copywriting because those are the things that are going to help move your audience or your reader to actually purchase your product. So tip number one, let's go and jump right into it, is getting good at writing good subject lines and headlines. So this is extremely important when it comes to like email marketing because now with so many people sending emails, you have to stand out some sort of way in the email box. So you have to get very crafty at coming up with different subject lines that are going to be compelling and that are going to get people to open up your email. So that's just like the first thing that someone needs to do is open up the email if you're trying to sell a product, right? And then, what you should do is just practice writing different headlines. Obviously, you're not going to use every headline that you write, but if you consistently practice writing headlines, you're going to get better and better and better. So you want to just kind of focus on grabbing your audience's attention with your headlines. And even if you don't want to write the headlines yourself, I would suggest, get on a couple marketers list that, you feel like that do well with copywriting and get on their list and then keep their emails. Like I'm on several marketers lists and, anytime I see a subject line that pops out at me, I'll take that subject line and kind of just store it into a folder so that I can kind of implement it or model it in my advertising. So practice, the headlines as well as store good headlines that you see other marketers sending you. And a good rule of thumb for writing headlines or subject lines is what I have here. It says how to get a benefit without an obstacle. How to get a benefit without an obstacle. So if you put that in a practical example, maybe you would say, how to lose 10 pounds without exercising. How to make $200 a day without a website. There's a benefit and then you're eliminating an obstacle. So that typically will grab someone's attention and get somebody to open up your email. So tip number 2 is understanding your market and your audience, right? So this is very important when you're doing online marketing. You have to know what your audience is thinking. You have to know what your audience pain points are. What are they struggling with? In affiliate marketing, a lot of that can be, creating a website, getting traffic to their website, building a list, all the technical components, the different advertising strategies that are out there. How can you help someone go through this online marketing game and kind of help them prevent some of the pitfalls and some of the struggles that you may have had or you're currently having, and how can you use your copy and use the written word to get them to take action, because you're going to be presenting products and services that are going to help eliminate those struggles, eliminate those pain points, and get them to closer to their desired result. Tip number 3 is be specific in your copywriting. So this is extremely important, guys. So pay attention to this. So be specific in your copywriting. So give detailed numbers or statistics and really drive home whatever the end result will be. So an example of that would be if you're promoting a make money online product, you shouldn't go out and just say, if you buy this product, make $1,000 with this product, right? If you buy this product, it'll teach you how to make $1,000 a month online or something like that. You need to be more specific. You need to say something like, this product will help you make $263.24 per week without a website. So you see how the difference is? So instead of saying, $1,000 a month, I broke it down and said, this will show you how to make $263.24 every week without a website, without having a list, without et cetera, being more detailed, giving stats, giving numbers, and then giving them the end result, which is, the money that they want to make. So be specific in your actual copywriting. Don't be generic. Tip number 4 is use proof or evidence. So if you have proof or evidence that you can use in your copywriting in terms of like testimonials, case studies, photos, income proof, all these things help build your case, and it's also going to help people to purchase your product. So if you have other people, giving testimonials about the product or about your coaching or about your training, this is going to help build faith. Because so many people are skeptical online. So it's good to have testimonials out there. It's good to see case studies, to see other people have gotten to the result that your audience wants to get to as well, and show photos. I mean, if you're trying to sell in the weight loss market, it's great to show photos, to show, somebody that was overweight and now you show a picture of them and they're like super lean or super buffed and they look amazing. So that will help paint that picture visually for somebody that is trying to lose weight. And it also kind of visualizes like, wow, this person did it too. Maybe I can do it if I can just buy this product and start implementing what they're teaching it. And then income proof. A lot of people use this in our market space, in the make money online market space, affiliate marketing. They show income proof. If you're selling a make money online product, it's always good to, show some income proof. Whether it's yours or not, you could use other income proof, people that have done it, people in your case studies, your leaders, your followers, whoever brought you into different programs or whoever you're networking with. You can use their income proof and you can present that as proof that this product actually works or this method actually works. Tip number 5 is have a strong call to action. So you have to tell your readers or your audience what exactly to do next and be exact about it. So I see a lot of people make this mistake by having good videos or having good emails or even sales letters, and they don't really tell the person what they want them to do next, whether it's to click the link below and buy the product or register for the webinar or complete the application. You need to go ahead and state that strong call to action. Click the link below to get more information. Click the link below to get for more training. Be specific and tell the person what to do next. And lastly, we have tip number 6, which is adding a little scarcity. So this works very well in affiliate marketing, and it's basically adding a little scarcity, applying a little pressure to your audience to try to make them to take action much quicker. So I would say that if you're going to be doing scarcity, make sure that you back up those claims with truth. So if you're going to say, this is a limited time only for 24 hours, or really make it for 24 hours, and don't just say that and then you can see the same special 72 hours later. You know, another form of scarcity would be something like this price is for the first 50 people only, then it will go up. Limited spots for this exclusive program. What is that limited spots? And then again, you want to be truthful and honest and stick to whatever your scarcity message or claim is. So these are 6 different things that you guys can be focusing on when it comes to copywriting. I'll actually leave some information, a guide about copywriting in the description below that you guys can check out. I'll also leave in the description a link to some affiliate marketing training that you guys can check out. It's absolutely free. You can click on that link in the description and it'll show you how to make money with affiliate marketing and do all the things that I do here on this channel. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit a like button and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks.